Let's make some non-toxic gel paint. The only ingredients you need are sugar, cornstarch, water, and food coloring. For the recipe for a classroom, all you're going to need is a tablespoon of sugar, a third a cup of cornstarch, and 2 cups of water. It makes a lot of paint. Over medium-high heat, stir in the cornstarch, sugar, and water. Don't walk away, keep on stirring. Get it hot enough to just before boiling and keep on stirring. You'll start to see your mixture thicken up. In about 10 minutes, you'll see that the mixture is thickened up and it's silky and smooth and almost looks like hair gel. Once it's reached this texture, take it off the heat and you can let it cool down. Separate it into jars of how many colors you want to make, or you can just store it as is and add colors later for different projects. When you're ready to make paint colors, add in the food coloring to the desired amount and color you wish. And there you have it, a non-toxic gel paint for your kids to finger paint with. It's just that easy. We hope you enjoyed this video. As always, like and subscribe for more recipes at Cue the Confetti. Got our new videos coming up that uses this gel paint recipe. And don't forget to celebrate today.